We're going to factorize this quadratic equation using completing the square method. First of all, you want to take 6 to the other side of the equation. And here you go. X squared plus 5x is equals minus 6. Now the next thing you want to do is observe the coefficient of x and take half of it, then square it. Now the square will be added to the right side of the equation, while half will be added to x, and then you take the square of the sum. Okay, so there we go. Half of the coefficient of x is 5 over 2, and it was added to x, and taking the square of the sum, while the square of half of the coefficient of x was added to minus 6 on the other side of the equation. Now, the square of 5 over 2 is 25 over 4. And then you're adding it to minus 6. Now, this is the short principle. Since you're having a whole number, you are adding it to a fraction. Just simply multiply the whole number by the denominator of the fraction. So 6 minus 6 times 4 is minus 24 plus 25 over 4. Minus 24 plus 25 will give you 1. So to get rid of the square, you take the square root of both sides, or you simply imply the reciprocal of this power on the other side of the equation, and that gives us x plus 5 over 2 equals plus or minus square root of 1 over 4. Square root is the same as power 1 over 2, so that's a reciprocal of 2 applied to this side of the equation. So if we take the square root of 1 over 4, we're going to have 1 over 2. Now the next we want to do is, the bracket is not necessary right now. We could even erase it from this side of the equation. And moving on to finding our x, we have plus or minus 1 over 2 minus 1 over 5. Sorry, minus 5 over 2. And so that's going to be, now we have 2 as the denominator since they both have a common denominator. And minus 1 minus 5 over 2 is going to give us minus 4, which divided by 2 gives us minus 2. Minus 1 minus 5 over 2 is minus 6 over 2, which is minus 3. And that's the value of x. Please subscribe. Thank you.